stuffed zucchini Syrian style. And as the book said, let's start with the recipe. 2 cups of minced veal meat, add 2 cups of soaked Egyptian rice, 2 teaspoons of table salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of mixed spices, a teaspoon of saffron or turmeric, depending on what's available, a tablespoon of cumin, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix all these ingredients together. Then we'll get the zucchini. I bought an already hollowed out zucchini and saved myself this step, honestly. This amount of filling will stuff exactly 42 zucchinis. I stuffed it and left about 2 centimeters empty. And if I've added more rice, I mean, if the ratio of rice is higher than the meat, I should leave more space to account for the rice expanding. Then I placed them into this pot. This is the first pot. And I prepared another pot, and the total was exactly 42 zucchinis. This is a very large quantity. That should be enough for a big family. We're going to place the zucchini diagonally so that water can enter and it cooks quickly. 4 tablespoons of tomato paste with a bit of salt and some black pepper. I ground the pepper so its flavor is nicer and stronger. We'll add 2 liters of water, meaning every 2 tablespoons of tomato paste need 1 liter of water. 4 spoons need 2 liters. Then we'll put it on the stove for 1 hour and 10 minutes, maximum. In 1 hour, we'll see this beautiful scene. They're almost done. What's the secret to this dish? Dried mint and garlic. We'll add some of the sauce on them, stir them, and put them back in the pot for 5 minutes. Then we'll turn off the heat. Hope you liked our dish. If you did, share it with friends. And don't forget to follow us, subscribe,